difference between them. Okay, so basically here you can say parts of expression. Okay, so I mentioned an expression is made up of and all those things, right? Term is also there. Okay, so let's say this is the expression 6a plus 2. Okay, so here you have the first term, that is the 6a, and the 2 is also a term. Okay, but 2 you can say constant. Why? Because this term is a fix. 2 has the fixed value, right? 2 cannot be changed, right? Okay, and whereas 6a, you can see here you have one of them is the variable. Okay, this is the variable, and this is the 6, this is the coefficient. Okay, yeah, because there is a variable as well. Okay, 6 times a. So if you are timesing with the variable, then that term is not a constant. Okay, it is the mixture of coefficient and the variable, whereas here you don't have any variable. That is why this is the constant. Okay, so anyone wants to answer this question? The same, whatever I told you. Okay, let me ask. Selva Kumar, can you please explain, like, why 2 is the constant and not the 6a? Did you get my question, Selva Kumar? Okay, no worries. Roshan, can you please explain why 2 is the constant whereas 6a is not?
It's because 6 is before the variable.
Okay, anyone wants to try? Abhi, can you please tell me why 2 is the constant whereas 6a is not?
2 is the constant because 6a is the variable.
Yeah, so in this 6a is the variable, so its value is the unknown, right? And for the constant, we have the definition, like constant is never change, right? The value of that number never will get changed. Okay, so if you are multiplying with any variable, let's say 6 is a constant, right? 6 number have the fixed value, but the a has the unfixed value. It is unknown, so 6a is going to be unknown, right, at the end. So that is why 6a is not the constant and 2 is the constant. Fine. Okay, so up to now, anyone have any problem? Like if anyone will ask you what is the coefficient, what is the variable, what is the constant, you are able to solve it, right? You are able to answer that question, right? Okay, so please raise your hand if and if you have any query up to now. You can remove your hands if you don't have any question. Okay, I'm going to ask. So yes, remove your hands. Okay, so yeah, there are still 2 members. Let me check. Samihita, do you have any doubt? Kaushal, do you have any doubt?
Yes, I have a doubt.
Okay.
So if the 2 is the, why is 2 the term? Because it says that a term is a combination of variables and numbers. So how can 2 be the term?
Okay, so I am telling you the definition again. Okay, here. Okay, a term is a combination of variable and a number. Okay, or here, or also you can mention. Okay, see here the example is already given to you. 12x is also a term, 9 is also a term, a is also a term. Okay, this number is a numerical term. Okay, and here it's variable term. Okay, and it is a mixture of that. Okay, so here you can say combination of variable and number or just a number. Okay, it's fine. Just number is also a term only. Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so yes, very good.